Well, I've been in here a few days. I managed to get the odd bit done. Not a lot, because when I got in I had no electrics, no lighting apart from the above in this sector. There was no wiring, electrics working. I had a plug up there and a plug up there, and none of them was working, and that plug currently runs this lighting, so I had no lighting in here. So luckily I managed to get access to the proper fuse board for the main building and get a bit of electricity. So I've bodged a little toilet lighting for now that's running on an extension. I'm going to have to wire that in properly. There's my daughter keep getting in the picture. But I've come off that one since I've got them in. I've come across and I've just whacked a plug behind there for my printer. I've gone across, plug there, cross plug there, cross to a plug there, across to a plug there, and that's going to be my little kitchen area, this little bit here. I've now realised, but because the way the wiring is, I've actually got to run a whole new feed in so I can have power into this room, which at the moment, until I do that, I'm just going to run one plug from the other room through the wall and put a socket there so I can at least run my compressor and the odd tool. I've borrowed my brother's table saw to help me cut down some wood. But as you can see, this room, I've got adequate lighting, but there's just no power at all. I have water, no power, and as we come back down here, there's a toilet area up there. I've took a bulb out of there to actually get more lighting in that room, and we've built this reception style desk today. Just bodged it together. I say bodged, it's literally put a beam across the wall there, and I've attached that roughly, ignore this, just rough attach that with a beam there, and then I've gone like central beam underneath, joining over to there, because this front area, I've got a recessed area just here, but this bottom bit is going to be recessed 6 inches up to this, backed off, and then have 3 shelves going across. So that's literally all I've built at the moment, but tomorrow I should have more wood coming to enable to be able to load the benches throughout that room and that room, because that room's got a big shutter I've shut down for the minute. This is going to be my workshop, say my dirty room. That's going to be my clean room where all my printing gets done, and etc. That's just going to be storage. This is where I'm going to be doing all my vans, graphics, etc. And that's going to be my reception area. That shutters off, that shutters off.
Just imagine that.
And that shutters off.
These chairs over here.
These chairs over here
Are going to be here, and then
are going to be there apparently.
To put a.
Yeah, I've got a projector that just sits there, and I was originally planning on put it on the roof there to project images on this wall, but it's going to be a bit of a ball ache, so I'm going to put it there to project images onto that shutter, because that shutter is going to be down most of the time, as that's going to be my dirty room, which I don't want people to see. So it's the progress so far. Literally been struggling to get wood delivered. I managed to get 1 sheet, so that's why it's been bodged together. I managed to get 1 sheet of 8x4. So I've cut 2 foot off the end, so that's 2x4 foot, and then I cut the 6x2 4 remaining in half, and then I cut one of them halves in half again. So this is 1 foot high, that's 1 foot across, that's 4x2, and the main desk area at the minute's 6x2. That beam I continued across is going to have a bench coming across here, but this whole wall's on like a silly 3-degree angle at least, I think. So that's the progress for now. Quickly before I do go, I just want to get back to this. I'm hoping, like I said, I'm having shelves below here, 3 shelves, recessed 6 inches. This is recessed 15 mil, so I can eventually put some sort of signboard or something on the front of here, or maybe even just get another piece of MDF, and I really want to carve something of great detail in here. And originally I was a bit rushed because, like I said, I couldn't get any wood, it was all last minute. I wanted to angle this down here on my computer drawing, it was all angled here, and even coming at a slight angle here just to give it a bit of funk. Didn't work at all. I hadn't had the time, and now this idiot here has glued this to this, so I can't even take this off to cut that angle unless I use a handsaw. Yeah, anyway. Tomorrow, hopefully, that's done. Hopefully we've got benches. I've changed the camera view so it looks a bit different as I continue this video. So I'll just have another walk round. So come up here. Watch it, guaranteed you'll see a face appear. You know, oh no, she's behind me. That's access to that room from there. We've got the bathroom, which I had to jet wash down so it was disgusting. One of my plotters, my wide format printer, a 3D printer, flying brush, a 3D printer, my sublimation printer, my K40, my heat press, etc. Some roll. So this is going to be my main printing area, clean area. Another plotter. Yeah, so I need to try and get this clean. Now we've got a better angle, we'll walk back through here. Let's look at my workshop again. It's quite a big area. I can't remember the exact, I think it's 20 foot by 25, 26 foot. 8, 16, 24. I think it's about 24 foot wide by 20 foot. I've got a pit. So this is going to be my, like I say, dirty area. I want to put a bench across there. And this will be my car area where I work on my car or things like that. Hopefully I'll have all my tools over there, them style tools. This area is going to be for my CNC and my compressor. And I have my hoover and everything over here. And hopefully I have another area over here as an electrical station for, say, soldering and welding. So yes, a lot to do. A lot to do. Hope you stay tuned with me. I'll be keeping you posted along the way.